Reusable water bottles are everywhere these days. But every once in a while, a product comes along that quietly fixes problems most people have just learned to live with. That's exactly what Australian drinkware brand Ever Vessel is doing with its Maxi range. At first glance, the Maxi looks like a sleek, stainless steel insulated bottle with all the features you'd expect. It has double-wall vacuum insulation to keep drinks cold for hours, a leak-proof flip-top lid, and a built-in carry handle that folds away neatly when you're not using it. It also comes in two sizes, the 26-ounce Maxi and the larger 36-ounce Super Maxi. But the clever part is in the details. The inside is designed without hidden crevices, which makes it much easier to clean compared to a lot of reusable bottles out there. It's also completely dishwasher safe, which is something people who use reusable drinkware every day will definitely appreciate. That clean, minimalist approach actually helped the Maxi earn a Red Dot Design Award in 2025. And even on its own, it's already a really practical bottle. The 1-liter Super Maxi still manages to fit into most car cup holders, which is surprisingly rare for larger bottles. It's slim, lightweight, and feels designed for daily use, instead of something bulky you only carry occasionally. Where things get really interesting is when you start adding the accessories. Ever Vessel created a full lineup of add-ons that basically transform the Maxi into a 4-in-1 drink system. One of the most useful is the cold brew coffee kit. You simply add coarse coffee grounds into the ultra-fine stainless steel filter, fill the bottle with water, and let it brew overnight. By morning, you've got smooth, cold brew ready to go straight from the same bottle. The company even worked with a Sydney barista to fine-tune the brewing method. There's also a tea infuser strainer for loose leaf tea and fruit infusions. Instead of carrying a separate tea flask, you can steep everything directly inside the Maxi. For fitness users, the whisk balls turn the bottle into a protein shaker. Drop the stainless steel balls inside with your powder and liquid. Shake it up, and it helps break apart clumps just like a dedicated shaker bottle would. Then there's the flask lid, which converts the Maxi from a cold drink bottle into a vacuum-insulated flask for hot drinks, coffee, or even soup. So instead of needing separate bottles for different situations, the Maxi can handle almost everything on its own. At its core, it's still a high-quality stainless steel water bottle. It just happens to replace several other containers people normally keep in their kitchen cupboards. Another thing that stands out is how focused Ever Vessel is on cleaning and hygiene. The company was founded by Tim and Beck Bly after traveling along Australia's east coast on a small boat. During that trip, they dealt firsthand with how annoying reusable bottles can be to clean. Mold hiding in straws, odors trapped inside gasket grooves, and narrow bottle openings that are difficult to wash properly. That experience shaped the entire design process. Instead of starting with appearance, they started by solving the cleaning problem first. Every Ever Vessel bottle features wide mouth openings, shallow gasket channels, and lids without hidden spaces where bacteria and mold can build up. Even the accessories are designed to be easy to clean and dishwasher safe. In a market full of flashy designs and unnecessary gimmicks, the Maxi takes a much simpler approach. And honestly, that's probably what makes it stand out the most.